Watts Elementary School faced a critical problem. 12 classrooms in the library were sinking by about 3 inches in the center, causing serious concerns. With plans to revamp the classrooms during the summer of 2024, the school sought a permanent solution to the foundation problem. That's when they called Saber Foundation Repair.
We knew we had to address this issue urgently. The sinking floors were not just a safety hazard, but also disrupted the learning environment. Watts Elementary needed a solution that was efficient, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly. Our team at Saber started a comprehensive assessment of each room, using streamlines to measure the extent of the sinking. We then designed a 4-foot grid system for the polyfoam injection process. Following this, we drilled small 5/16-inch holes at 4-foot intervals and incrementally injected polyfoam into each port to avoid any unnecessary damage. The results were immediate and impressive. The classroom and library were successfully lifted back to their original level with a curing time of just 15 minutes. This allowed for immediate installation of tiles and minimal disruption to school activities just in time for the new school year. The LAUSD lead designer, Mrs. Murdoch, was thrilled with the outcome and expressed that she was glad we could offer an efficient and cost-effective solution without the need for ripping out the existing floors and pouring new concrete. This method was not only less disruptive, but also safe for the kids and environment. The success of this project is a testament to the expertise and dedication of our team, including Scott Lamb and Gabe O'Malley. Their approach to ensure a long-lasting, cost-effective solution.
Thanks to the success of this project, LAUSD is considering using this method for additional classrooms, ensuring a safer and more stable learning environment for more students. If your school or institution is facing similar issues, consider Saber Foundation Repair services for a cost-effective, efficient, and environmentally friendly solution. Saber is here to help.